Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Choudhury and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. Today we are going to talk about conspiracy theories. I do not know what percentage of conspiracy theories that are circulating around the world are true and what percentage of conspiracy theories that are circulating around the world are false. But I'm pretty sure that neither of them is 0%. 0% of all conspiracy theories is not true. 0% of conspiracy theories is not false. There are some true, there are some false. I firmly believe in that. To say that all conspiracy theories are true, obviously it is outlandish, and you know, uh, it is outlandish. But to say that all conspiracy theories are false, mm, political assassinations happen a lot in this world, and I have seen this trend. I am not at all assured about this, but I've seen this trend that whenever governments around the world are feel threatened by some kind of a whistleblower, some kind of a person who will blow up the dirty secrets of a government or the dirty secrets of an intelligence agency, those kinds of people mysteriously disappear. Not only in undemocratic countries, but even in democratic countries like the Western world. So to say that and then when people who are fighting for human rights, when the people who are fighting for justice on various fronts, when those people mysteriously disappear, people say that it is the work of the government, it is the work of an intelligence agency, and then uh, people uh, uh, people say that oh no, this is just a conspiracy theory, the person has just gone somewhere, and they basically try to brush everything under the carpet, and they say that this is all a conspiracy theory. uh, the human rights activist, or whoever the person is in question, the person might have gone for a vacation, and no, we haven't done anything. The intelligence agencies haven't done anything. And if you think that the intelligence agencies have done something to him, or have harmed him in some way, then it's just a conspiracy theory that you are trying to circulate in order to malign our country. These kinds of things, I'm pretty sure, happen all around the world, not just in dictatorships, but I'm pretty sure even in democratic countries also. To say that these kinds of things are only happening in countries like Saudi Arabia, no, definitely not. I'm pretty sure more political assassinations happen once in a while, all the time. So, mm, you know the point. You get the point that I'm trying to make. Uh, um, uh, and then there's the fact, I've heard this thing about um, about nanobots, and um, some people might already know that people say that nanobots can be used as weapons to kill people. Maybe that kind of technology is not available yet, but I've heard in podcasts where people are saying that they are actually able to control mice with the help of nanobots, or very very microscopic robots, whatever it is. They are basically able to control mice with the help of robots, and that are implanted into the brains of mice. And imagine controlling a mouse with your joystick or with your PlayStation controller. It's kind of an abuse of the animals when you think of it. You know, killing a chicken for eating that chicken is one other thing, but mind controlling a mouse by implanting its brain with some kind of a nanobot or some kind of a robot, that seems like human right. Okay, not human rights abuse, but that seems like a violation of a violation of basic free will. Where's the ethics committee in this? If there is any ethics committee regarding these kinds of things in various countries, and I wonder about these things. What if some kind of nanobot has already been injected into your body, or will be injected into the future into your body by by anything, because the governments and intelligence agencies want to control you. What would you do then? I remember when the Edward Snowden, before the Edward Snowden revelations came, or at least I don't remember, but people were saying, I've heard in podcasts that people were saying, before the Edward Snowden revelations, people kind of made presumptions on, or people kind of made presumptions that that intelligence agencies around the world might be tapping into your phones, into your communications, into your internet communications, whatever kind of communication, whatever kind of digital device that can connect to the internet. Every device that can connect to the internet is being hacked by various multiple intelligence agencies around the world at various times, and these kinds of things are happening, but people did not want to believe it because people did not have concrete evidence that something like that was happening. And then the Edward Snowden revelations came, and of course fingers were pointed at the US government, because not only ordinary people but a lot of political leaders, leaders of democratic countries were being spied upon. But I'm pretty sure that it's not just the US government. It's pretty much every government that has this capability will use this capability to spy not only on its own people but also on people around the world. Is it ethical? I don't think so. Unless I would say, unless you have a proper reason to spy upon someone, you should not spy upon that person. But again, these kinds of things happen. So what would stop an intelligence agency to insert a nanochip inside your brain while you are sleeping? What can stop an intelligence agency to use you as a laboratory rat? I feel sorry for the rats that they are being used for mind control with the help of nanochips. But what if you can do that to an actual human? What if they already have the capability and they're just hiding it from us? Who knows? I might talk about this more in the next video. Until then, please please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing this video with the friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. And until the next video, stay safe. Goodbye, and God bless you.